Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be working with glitter. I had a few people asking me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat to do a glitter look for you guys, so here it is. This is what I came up with. If you're interested in watching how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm gonna be using the Naked palette. I'm gonna be using some of the colors from the Naked palette today, and I'm gonna be taking the first shade, which is Stranger, and it's just a white eyeshadow, and I'm gonna set all my eye with this. I'm gonna take the JH32 and take the color Limit, and this is a color that I'm gonna use as a transition shade. I do want to keep this color really low, like I don't want to be too high, so I'm gonna start blending this right here. So just right on the crease, I'm not trying to go higher. I'm gonna build this color up as much as I can. And I have not used this eyeshadow palette in so many years. I've been having it since it came out, like years ago. I don't even know what year this palette came out. I want a darker color, but I'm not sure if I want a color from this palette. I'm gonna try Nooner, which is a matte purpley, like really mauve color, and I'm gonna apply that like right on the crease and not higher with this little tiny brush. This is a JH40. So I'm gonna really build that color and make sure that this color that I'm applying right now is darker than the color I have up here, which is my transition shade, the color Limit. And I'm gonna go back with the first brush I used and just blend that. I'm gonna go into the Naked Cherry palette and try out Bling. Do I? Yeah, I do. And I'm gonna take it in that same tiny brush and just start working that right where I did the Nooner color. Very little at a time. I don't want it to be super blinding. I'm gonna go back with that first brush and blend that out. I'm gonna take this brush from the Alamar collection, Ojitos collection I think it's called. I've been really using this brush. I'm gonna take some concealer, and I'm gonna cut my crease from corner to corner. I'm gonna take this Becca concealer, which is a little more white. Now that I have my crease cut and everything, I'm gonna take some glitter glue. This is the NYX one. Well, it's called Glitter Primer. So it's basically glue, but obviously it's not gonna be like super sticky like eyelash glue. It's gonna be softer, creamier, but it's still like it still has a stickiness to it. So I'm gonna take it in a flat brush and I'm gonna apply that. I'm gonna go one eye at a time because I don't want it to dry. So I'm gonna apply that all over where I place the concealer. I have this NYX glitter that I'm gonna apply. I put it on the cap of it, and then I'm gonna take just a bigger brush that I can find because I don't want this to dry, so I'm gonna place it all over. And I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna start trying to remove everything off the face, which is probably not gonna work with the brush, and I'm gonna have to do it with the wipe. But it gets really messy. Like, I have glitter everywhere, and that's why I put on a glittery shirt, because I knew it was gonna get on my nerves to have this much glitter. And I'm just gonna take everything off. I think I should have went a little darker on the line of the glitter. So I'm gonna try and attempt and do that. Hopefully I don't mess anything up with the same color, with the same bling color from the cherry palette. This is actually staining the glitter, so I'm not a lot into it. But let's just apply the other eye to make sure that it looks the same. Okay, a lot of glitter did come off, so what I'm gonna do is just reapply glue and reapply glitter. I am gonna wing line this, so I'm gonna take my favorite eyeliner, which is the Milani Stay Put Matte Eyeliner. Since I do have a lot of glitter on my lashes, I want to make sure I put mascara on just to make sure there's no glitter trying to go in my eye, because that hurts. And I'm just applying a little bit of mascara, not too much, because I am going to put some falsies on, so I don't want my mascara to be too thick. I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm gonna be using a priming oil. You don't need a lot of this stuff. It actually goes a long way. I'm gonna give the oil a chance to soak into my skin, and then be back to do my foundation and my concealer. Okay, so since I was waiting for my primer to soak into my skin, or my skin to get the primer, I did put my lashes on. I used some of the Ola lashes I got on my subscription box, and I really like them. I'm gonna start doing my foundation. I'm gonna use, obviously, my Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the number 128. Now that I have all the foundation on, I'm going to take my Flower Beauty concealer and conceal and highlight my face. I'm going to do my under eye, obviously. My nose, my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm going to get my Beauty Blender to blend all of that. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder to set my under eye. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Becca hydrating powder. I love this powder. It feels wet on the skin. Like when you're applying it, it makes you feel wet, like you're applying water, kind of. I'm gonna use the same color with the same brush. This is a color Bling from the Naked Cherry palette. I'm gonna take this brush. This is the JH39, and I'm gonna take Devilish. This is a darker color, and I'm just gonna run this in the outer corner, like halfway of the outer corner. And with the JH38, I'm gonna take Limit, which is the color I used from the Naked 3, as my transition shade, and I'm gonna run that on top of all of that, just to make sure everything's really blended. I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender sponge and just go under my eye a little bit. I'm gonna line my waterline with this Makeup Forever pencil. This is just an average black pencil. It's pretty creamy. So I'm doing the top and the bottom. And it's gonna look like that. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna apply a lot of mascara on my lower lashes, make sure that those look really dark. Okay, while my mascara is drying, I am gonna do my face. I'm taking the medium mocha and the deep mocha from the Too Faced contour kit, and I'm just gonna lightly bronze my face. I'm applying a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Becca palette. I never used this because I know you guys can't buy it anymore because it was limited edition, but I want to use it. Like, I paid for this and I never get the chance to use it because of that. I'm gonna take the middle color and apply that all over my bronzer. So I'm using the Champagne Pop as my highlight, and I'm gonna apply it here. I'm still not sure if I want blush. I feel like my face, it's already blushed. I changed my mind. I am gonna use blush. I'm gonna get Gold Rush by Benefit. Before I do my lips, I do want to set my face, and I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray for that. For my lips, I'm using the lip liner from Milani. This is in the color Nude, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia little lipstick. This is in Dead Rose. That lip liner is super creamy. I really like it. I'm gonna grab the brush that I used to apply highlight and just apply whatever is left right there. A lot is just like something really settled. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really liked how it turned out. I didn't like the mess. I don't like the mess and all of that, like glittery. Glitter is really hard to work with, but I really like how everything turned out. I am actually pretty happy with this look. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting about 3 times a week. I try to post, I don't promise, but I do try to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you guys can have something new to watch. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. The glitter was a suggestion, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!